On Instagram and want to delete a prompt note? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly where to tap, step by step. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account where you created the prompt note. From the home screen, look at the top of your feed where profile bubbles appear. This is where notes live, above your stories row. Find your own profile bubble with your prompt note showing above it. It will usually appear on the far left of the notes section. If you don't see it right away, swipe horizontally across the notes row to scroll through your friends' notes until you spot your own. Once you've located your prompt note above your profile bubble, you're ready to delete it. Here's how. Step 1. Tap directly on your prompt note bubble above your profile picture to open it. Your prompt note will open in a small window. At the bottom, look for an option like Delete Note or a trash can icon, depending on your app version. Tap Delete Note. This removes your prompt note so it no longer appears above your profile bubble or in your friends' notes row. After deleting, the notes row will refresh. You'll see that your prompt note has disappeared from above your profile picture. If it still looks stuck, hold down on your home feed to refresh Instagram, then check the notes row again. That's it. You've successfully deleted your prompt note on Instagram. Save this video for later so you can quickly repeat these steps anytime you need to.